TV.
Have you do one book in here and one book in your bed.
Oh, will you listen to me with the one book out here? And will you listen to me with the one book?
Did you get it?
Out here. Any no? No, because I got too much to do.
It's a lot of sneezing, Fee.
Aaron, don't get distracted, please.
Can we get ice cream and a cupcake?
Ooh.